Hey guys, Ziplag308 here, and today I'm going to be repotting my kale. So, before you do this, you got to make sure you wear gloves. And so first we're going to dig a hole and put your pot into the hole. Then you're going to put the dirt from the hole all around it, and you've got to just have it covering your pot. Like that. So you've got to even the rest of your pot out. Make sure none of it is too low. Just like that. Then if you do, you're going to grab your tag for the plant, and you're going to put it in the dirt like so. Sorry for not posting for the last few days, and even though I did say I would be posting daily, I hurt my wrist, so I haven't been able to post any videos for the last few days. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment if there's anything you want me to, if there's any video ideas you want me to do. And thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.